Hey guys! Welcome to channel. In this video we will talk about the top dividend stocks. Disclaimer. This is an educational video. We are not financial advisors. Let's jump into the topic. Here are 10 well-established dividend stocks from a variety of sectors that have a history of delivering consistent dividends and may be worth considering for a buy and hold strategy. 1. Verizon Communications, VZ. Verizon is the largest wireless carrier in the United States and also provides landline and broadband services. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 15 consecutive years. Verizon's dividend yield currently stands at 7.9%, making it one of the highest yields on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. 2. IBM. IBM is a technology company with a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 26 consecutive years. IBM's dividend yield currently stands at 5.1%. 3. Realty Income. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, REIT, that owns a portfolio of income-generating real estate. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 28 consecutive years. Currently, Realty Income has a dividend yield of 4.3%. 4. Procter & Gamble, PG. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods company that sells products such as toothpaste, shampoo and laundry detergent. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 66 consecutive years. Procter & Gamble's dividend yield currently stands at 2.4%. 5. Chevron, CVX. Chevron is an oil and gas company with a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 35 consecutive years. Chevron's dividend yield currently stands at 3.8%. 6. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a healthcare company that sells products such as bandages, Tylenol, and baby shampoo. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 58 consecutive years. Johnson & Johnson's current dividend yield is 2.6%. 7. The Coca-Cola Company, EN. Coca-Cola is a global beverage company that sells soft drinks, water and other beverages. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. Coca-Cola's dividend yield currently stands at 2.9%. 8. Walgreens Boots Alliance, WBA. Walgreens Boots Alliance is a pharmacy retailer with stores in the United States, Europe and Asia. The company has a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 46 consecutive years. Walgreens Boots Alliance's current dividend yield is 2.8%. 9. PepsiCo, PEP. PepsiCo is a food and beverage company with a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 49 consecutive years. Currently, PepsiCo's dividend yield is 2.8%. 10. MasterCard, MA. MasterCard is a payments company with a long history of paying dividends and has increased its dividend for 25 consecutive years. MasterCard's dividend yield currently stands at 0.7%. These are just a few of the best dividend stocks available. When choosing dividend stocks, it is important to consider factors such as a company's financial strength, dividend history, and dividend yield. It is also important to remember that past performance is no guarantee of future results. FAQ section. What is a dividend stock? Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. Dividends are usually paid quarterly, but may also be paid monthly or annually. Why invest in dividend stocks? Investors invest in dividend stocks for several reasons. Dividends can provide a steady stream of income, which can benefit retirees or those looking to generate passive income. Dividend stocks can also help reduce volatility in a portfolio, as dividend payments can help offset share price losses. Additionally, dividend stocks tend to be more stable than non-dividend stocks. This is because companies that pay dividends are generally more financially secure. How do I pick the best dividend stocks? There are several factors to consider when choosing dividend stocks. These include financial strength of the company. The company should have a strong balance sheet and a track record of profitability. Company's dividend history. The company should have a history of increasing its dividend payments over time. Dividend yield. The dividend yield is the dividend divided by the stock price. Generally, the higher the dividend yield, the better. Company's growth prospects. A company must have good growth prospects so that its dividend payments can continue to grow over time. How do I buy dividend stocks? You can buy dividend stocks through a brokerage account. There are many different brokerage accounts, so it's important to compare them before making your choice. How much should I invest in dividend stocks? How much you should invest in dividend stocks depends on your individual circumstances. However, a good rule of thumb is to start with 10% of your portfolio and gradually increase your allocation over time. What are the risks of investing in dividend stocks? There are several risks associated with investing in dividend stocks. These include: even if the company continues to pay dividends, the share price may decline. A company can cut or eliminate its dividend payments. The company may go bankrupt, resulting in a loss of investment. How do you manage dividend stocks? After investing in dividend stocks, you should continue to manage your portfolio. This includes monitoring stock prices, paying dividends, and monitoring company financial performance. You may also consider rebalancing your portfolio on a regular basis to ensure that it still meets your investment goals. Thanks for watching.